Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LandGlide for parcel and boundary research step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the LandGlide website. Locate the Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Provide your email address. Create a strong password. Re-enter your password for confirmation. Select your account type from the provided options. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email from LandGlide. Click on the verification link in the email. Return to the LandGlide website. Log in with your registered email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Select the area you wish to research using the search bar. Use the map tools to adjust your view if necessary. Access the parcel and boundary information for the selected area. Utilize the features available to gather your data. Save your findings for future reference. Log out of your account once you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.